So you spend so much time putting out content on Instagram, creating amazing quotes, sharing pictures, but no one is actually clicking through to your website. No one is actually taking the action that you want them to take, and it can be so frustrating. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a really quick tip that can fix that. Hey, you're watching Ask Carrie, where I answer your business questions, and in this video, I want to share with you a really quick tip for how you can get more people taking action, the action you want them to take on your Instagram. Because I get so many questions from people saying, I'm spending so much time creating content on Instagram and it's not getting me any results. And there's just no point in us spending our time creating these pretty quotes and nice pictures if at the end of the day it isn't actually getting a result. So here's a really simple, quick thing you can do that will make a massive difference. When you post out your content, whether it's an inspirational quote, whether it's a picture, no matter what it is, you can add in multiple other slides. So essentially, you're gonna say, have an inspirational quote. People engage with inspirational quotes. They love seeing them on Instagram and they get a lot of engagement in terms of likes and potentially comments, but what they don't often get is actually people clicking through. So a way to get people to click through is to add another slide, and on the next image, like a carousel, on the next image, you can tell people how you can help them. So you can direct them and say, want more inspiration? I've got this, I've got this. Or you can have like one clear call to action, like go and download this freebie, go and buy this product. Here is my shop, go and check out more of what we've got. And then you can also add in another image, which could be a testimonial or something that's gonna help people to realize how amazing you are and how what you're creating is having such an impact and how people love your business, your brand, and what you offer. Simply by doing this and adding in a few extra images every time you post out means you don't have to be like salesy all the time, like buy this, buy this, buy this. No, you can still post out this amazing content that's really engaging and thoughtful and builds relationships with people on Instagram, but you're also then giving them the call to action to say, hey, if you really like this and what I'm about, then come and find out more about me because I've got so much to offer. An account that does this really well is this one. She is so good at sharing amazing tips. She shares amazing value on her Instagram, but you will find that you can always swipe across to the next image where she tells you specifically how you can get more help from her, how you can buy her program to actually get the results that she's talking about. She often shares how-to tips in her Instagram posts themselves, but then the next screen across is literally directing people and showing them by literally telling them, showing them a graphic of how to take the next step and actually buy her product, buy her program. It's so powerful, it's so effective. We do this over on our Female Entrepreneur Association account on Instagram, and it works so well. The increase we saw was massive in terms of actual clicks throughs to our website, getting people to actually come and click through, to download our freebies, to come and join our membership. You can still be creating engaging content, you can still be doing your inspirational quotes, but it's a powerful way to create a call to action off the back of those so that you can actually get the result that you want. So give it a try. I hope you like this quick tip, and I will see you next week for another episode of Ask Carrie.